Okay, so what are the operators here? See, first we'll see relational operators. This is greater than. Yeah, let me type the code. A is equal to 12, say, and B is equal to 10. Then it's obvious that A is greater than B, right? Right or wrong? Type in chat box. Okay, so this sign is of greater than symbol. So already function is defined here, GT, whose name is GT. So you can see that function, and this is inbuilt module GT, and this function calls A and B operators, and this will check that if A is greater than B or not. Yeah, so don't go to this part because this is a bit complex part, and it's you can go and read the documentation. So now we know that obviously A is greater than B. Now if I print this, what it may show? Yeah, it's true that A is greater than B. Now when I print that A is less than B, it should print false because A is not less than B. Okay, now see, we should see greater than or equal to, or logical or means if any one expression is true, then all are true. Yeah, it's just like addition, 1 plus 0 plus 1. I think you had learned that in electronics. So this is true because A is greater, not equal to. If either any one of this condition is true, then if either any one of condition is true, then this will show output as true. Okay. Now see, if I'll show you less than or equal to, this condition is false because A is not less than B and A is not equal to B else. Yeah. So let's print this. This is false. Yeah. I think you are getting all the points which I'm explaining here. Okay. We had completed greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Now let us check for equal to with this or thing. A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 12. Yeah. A is less than or equal to B. Now see, when we run this should come true. Why? Because A is not less than B, but A is equal to B. Yeah, I think you all know that operators. Yeah, this bitwise and or XOR not, all those electronics operations we are having here. So we had completed. Now what is this double equal to? So this is checking if it is exactly equal to. As we are writing this A is equal B is equal to 12, means we are assigning something to B variable. Yeah, if we want to check that if B is exactly equal to 12 or B is equal to 12, then we should give double equal to sign. So this will check A is exactly equal to B. Yeah, now when we run this code, this will come output as true. Now if I change this value of B to 11 and A and B are not equal, so the answer should be false. Let's check. Yeah, the answer is false. So I think you are clear with this. Now how to check not equal to? Just give this exclamatory mark before equal to. This we read this statement as expression as A is not equal to B. B. Print it. Yeah. So see, it's true. A is not equal to B. There is not much any rocket science here. we had learned all these things in our junior standard. Okay, so I think we had completed all those relational operators here. Yeah, greater than is over, greater than equal to is over, less than is over, less than equal to is, yeah, all things are over. Now we'll go to mathematical operator: plus, minus, multiplication, division, flow division, and modulo and power. Okay, so let's just start here. Yeah, plus minus is just simple here. Print a plus b. Okay, if you want, you can declare here a and b separately. Otherwise, this PS code will take values of a and b from upside, which we had declared earlier in this program. Yeah. So when I print, this will just do addition. Yeah. Now similar kind. A is a minus b. Now see, this will print a minus b, subtraction. So here we are having addition, and here we are doing subtraction. So we'll do with multiplication as well. Okay. So a, this asterisk symbol is for multiplication. A into b. Yeah. Now you might be wondering why this is in green color. This is documentation part. We'll cover this in fourth or fifth lecture. Yeah, we are having fifth lecture of documentation. There I'll show you why this sort is green type. This will not run, but it will be there in our code. Okay, so just see and type as I'm typing. Multiply. We are multiplying here. So now we have to print division. So we are giving a by b. Now one more operator we was having, that is floor division. What is that? That is showing values in integer format. So let us do that also. Double division. Yeah, this is called as floor division. Okay, this is simple division, and this is floor division. Okay, now we'll print modulo. A, this percent sign is used for modulo operator. A mod D, it is typed here. It's B. A mod B. Yeah, what this modulo function is giving us, it is dividing A by B, and what is the remainder, it is giving us that. Okay, so I'll write here remainder. Now which we are having, yeah, power. A raised to 2, a raised to 3, I think we was having. Okay, now if suppose I'm writing here 2, this means that I'm printing a raised to 2. Yeah, this double asterisk is used for power, and this single is used for multiplication purpose. Okay, so let's run this code and we can see that. Now see what all are the changes here. This is modulo operator, floor division. So let me explain that. Now this is simply doing addition, a plus b. What is a here? Let's write a. A is 12 and b is 11. Okay, this is 23. Yeah, that is correct. 12 minus 11 is 1. That is correct. Okay, a into b is 132. That is also correct. You might check on your calculators. Now, what is 12 divided by 11? Yeah, that is obviously 1.0 something something. Yeah, this is division. Floor division is, it's just removing everything after this decimal point. Floor division is nothing but it's removing everything after this decimal point and only showing us integer. Okay, now see, if I am writing code to just see the types, what is the type here? Type means data type, that is integer or float or it is character. What is this? Okay, so I'll just write for some, not for all. Yeah, so yeah, we had seen this. This is giving us values in float point, and this sort is giving us values in integer format. Okay, and modulo is remainder. What is remainder here? Yeah, anyone can tell me what is remainder here? Yeah, this is 11 ones are 11, and we are having a value as 12. That's why remainder is 1. Yeah, do just these sort of things. See, you were doing like this. Huh? Here you write 11, and here below this it is 12. So what is 11 divided by 12? 11 ones are, and we are having remainder 1. This is given as modulo 1. Yeah, this is that. Okay, remainder. Modulo is giving us remainder. Now what is power? A raised to 2. If I write here a raised to 3, it will give us answer as cube. Yeah, a is 12, and 12 square we had written there 2. That's why it had squared this. 12 square is 144. Now if I'll write this here as 9, a to the power 9, then that will compute a to the power 9 and will give us answer. So let's run this modified code. So we are having here, see, this addition of type integer. Yeah, this simple division is of type float, and this floor division is of type integer. Okay, yeah, and we are having 12 raised to 9 answer here. 12 raised to 9. Okay, I think I'm clear with this operators, mathematical operators. Yeah, we are having this in NumPy and Pandas libraries. We are having these functions here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, true division, floor division, mod, and power functions. We will use that functions in that NumPy libraries. Those are already written. No need to write anything here. Okay. Now we know what is AND function, AND operator. Yeah. This is the symbol for AND. Now if I write here print A and B. Okay. What should be the answer? If suppose for your better understand, I'll write here A is equal to 1 1. Okay, let's make A as 0 and B as 1. Okay. So now what will be the answer? Yeah, correct. It is 0 because A into B, 1 into 0 is 0. Now I'll make this 1. Okay, it will make as answer 1 because this is multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1. So and is also known as all true. If all the expressions are true, then this will give answer as true. If any one of them is false, that is 0, then this will give answer as 0. Now let's check and OR operator. So this is the symbol for OR operator. Below your backspace, we are having these operators. We are having backward slash there, and when we press shift and that backward slash, we can get this OR operator there. Okay. So now what is the answer for this, A or B? Yes, obviously it is 1 because 1 plus 0 is 1. I think you are knowing all these things. Yeah, I'm just demonstrating with things of code. Okay, A or B. This is giving us answer as 1. Now, what if we are having 0 0 here? Yeah, obviously this will give answer as 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. Now let's check XOR operator. Yeah, can anyone tell me what is XOR operator? Yeah, if both inputs are true or same, we can say, then answer is 1. So let us check for XOR operator. We are having press shift and 6 for XOR operator. This cap will come there. Okay, so this is XOR operator. Similarly, you can do all of this not operator. And when I do this not operator, see here, shift plus the symbol under except sign. Okay, see this, not of a is 0 and not of that is -1. Okay, now I think I'm completed with this. Yeah, now let me run this. So what are the comments here? See, the things which are written in this hash form, these are comments. Program will run, but this program will not consider this hash thing. We are giving this as comment. This is used for documentation. We are writing this because we want to know that what we are doing here. We are here printing what's up here. These are simple codes. That's why we are not using any of the more documentation here. But as we are going further, we want to use that. Okay, so now we had covered with today's content, that is operators, variables, and we had made this calculator as well here. Yeah, this is scientific calculator. Okay, now your task is to make this calculator and ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, so this was from my side today. If you're having doubt, you can stay, otherwise you can leave the meet. You have to, today's task is you have to make calculator and reporting. Yeah, this is okay. Those who are having doubt, please stay here, raise your hands, I'll clear your doubts. Remaining can leave the meet.